Hi y'all, welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Little Music Man, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy, simple cocktail weenies. Now first, you have 3 ingredients. You need the cocktail weenies from Walmart or Kroger, and a big jelly. I don't care which jelly you use, but grape is the best. And then you need some ketchup, for, there. Now first I'm gonna get a spoonful of jelly, it kind of looks like Jell-O, and put it on. 2 scoops is enough. You really need to use the whole jar of jelly because you always do. And this, you might not do this, but I do ketchup jelly like a layer. Ketchup jelly, ketchup jelly, ketchup. It's all mixed in. No one ever knows what's in these. No one. Now, what I'm going to do is take more of this jelly and put it on top of the ketchup. And then I'm going to put almost all the ketchup I can. Do you think that's enough? I think so too. Now, I have this little wooden spoon I'm going to start all of it up with. And you can just do that, and you can just do that if you want, and you can, it's okay if you get jelly around the pan because you need to, so the cocktail weenies will soak it in. And Mom turned the skillet on for me. It's 300, and I'm gonna put these just on the top of it. You realize all of these you need to put in. I've got 2 bags on for a reason, because 2 bags are better than 1. I think I need a little bit more sauce. Do you? Look. And now I'm going to put just a little bit more ketchup. You just do a dab at that time. Now I'm going to stir all of them in. You see, they're melt. All of it is melt. While I'm stirring, you see, all the steam's coming up, and this is melting, and the cocktail weenies are soaking them up. And it's snowing outside, and you can see that picture up above. And we played outside today, but it was really cold. And let me just let this soak for 10 or 15 minutes. Oh, the lid's right here. Perfect. So, can I turn the timer on for 10 or 15 minutes?
Mm-hmm. Just put the spoon down beside it.
Okay, while my cocktail weenies are cooking, you better watch out for snow. It have already been 10 minutes, so let's see how our cocktail weenies have. Dad, could you open the top, please? Good and juicy. Now you see here, look, ketchup and the jelly mixed together. They went into the cocktail weenies because they sucked it in from all the juice in there. So if you are watching, always get toothpicks on the run. And you use the toothpicks for a proper party because you can't pick up. It's not a proper party if you can't pick up small foods with toothpicks. This is a nice day. Chocolate pretzels, cocktail weenies with toothpicks, and nice homemade hot chocolate. Bye!